what I need to see.
Yep. You need to straighten up.
I got to back up?
Yeah. You didn't turn.
Yeah, I did.
Stop.
I'm going to tear that wheel off, aren't I?
You need to start turning that way.
And I'm going to go forward and turn. Can I clear the rock?
No, but you're going to hit the bumper. It's not a big deal.
I'm in my wheel. My wheel cleared it off.
No. You're hitting the bumper hard. Hey, you're turning the wheel the wrong way.
I just know that when I let off the clutch, it's gonna...
Hey, get your hand off the roll cage and go forward. Go forward. There you go.
Am I clearing it now with the bumper?
Not at all. You're
Okay.
Yep. There you go. Now back up just a little bit.
I knew it was going to do that.
Yeah.
What? What do you mean, yeah? I've been stuck off it enough now. I know what it will do when it gets stuck. Yeah!
That was